Psalm 98. O sing unto Yahuwah a new song, for he hath done marvelous things. His right hand and his holy arm hath gotten him the victory. Yahuwah hath made known his salvation, his righteousness hath he openly showed in the sight of the heathen. He hath remembered his mercy and his truth toward the house of Israel. All the ends of the earth have seen the salvation of our Elohim. Make a joyful noise unto Yahuwah, all the earth. Make a loud noise and a rejoice and sing praise. Sing unto Yahuwah with the harp and the voice of a psalm. With trumpets and sound of cornet, make a joyful noise before Yahuwah, the King. Let the sea roar and the fullness thereof, the world and they that dwell therein. Let the floods clap their hands, let the hills be joyful together before Yahuwah, for he cometh to judge the earth. With righteousness shall he judge the world and the people with equity.